Today in this video, I'm going to show you like how we can integrate Recaptcha in Elementor Form. Like if you see in this page, now I'm using Elementor Form, and in here we'll integrate and Recaptcha. To edit the page, you have to click on here, edit with Elementor, just this button. Then you will redirect on this page. Now I just click on the pane, like the form, and now I just get everything. So in here, as you can see, I just close this thing because I was already add here the Recaptcha. So let me show you how we can add. To add a Recaptcha, you have to just click on here the add item button. Okay, then you will see here the type. You have to choose which type of things you just want to add. So in my case, I just want a Recaptcha, like normal Recaptcha, not like version 3, not like this. And then you have to add a label if you want. So let me close and let me go to the previous one because I already add one. And now let me type here recap. So label means like here, as you can see that we can see now, this is the label, and here is the size, how much size you want, and here is dark or light, and that's it. And here's some advanced setting, like we can put an ID, and here's some shortcode. That's it. So we don't have to do nothing in here, just click on update button, and if you see here, they give us a simple instruction what we have to do next. First of all, we have to go dashboard, then Elementor, setting and integrate, then Recaptcha. So let's go to our dashboard and let's go to Elementor and click on setting. Then you have to click on here integrate, then you have to come here like Recaptcha. Then if you see here, this available like two empty box, one is like side key and is like secret key. So we have to implement, or we have to put the side key and secret key. For getting this credential, you have to click here the Recaptcha. It's a free service by Google that protects your website from spam and app bursts. So if you create normal form, then we get lots of spamming mail in your form. So it's really annoying. So I think it's gonna be reduce if you add the Recaptcha. Okay, so I click on here and then I just redirect on this page. So when I click, I just click on here, okay, like this in this, and I just redirect on this. So here two option, like version 3 admin console with documentation, get started with enterprise. So we are not like an enterprise, so you have to click on here v3 admin console, just click on here. Okay, and I previously add my two other side in here, so that's why we're getting hit. As you can see, I already add this website in here. So let's click on here this plus icon for create new one, and now we get a label and which type of Recaptcha we just want, and here we have to add the domain and who is the owner, like my email address, and we have to accept their terms and condition. That's it. So let me fill up everything here. The label means the name, so let me copy my website name that I can easily identify which captcha for what. So I just like this, and which one you want. I'm not a robot like checkbox, I just want. Here's some other option like Recaptcha Android, invisible Recaptcha best, like this. And we have to integrate, we have to add the domain first. So let me add the domain. So we have to type like this. So if you hover, then you will see, and then we have to submit it. Just click on submit. Then as you can see, they give us a side key and secret key. Let me copy the side key and go Elementor and just paste here. Another is copy secret key, and I just paste here. And let me scroll down. Then we have to save it and the web page. And if I reload it, I hope we'll get it. Alright, so now as you can see, we'll get it. So if I'm going to put information, I just type a name and my email. And also here some message like and now if I'm going to click send button, let's see what happened. Okay, something is error happened, and they tell us that the captcha field cannot be blank, please enter a value. So let me check it out that we get this information or not. So let's go to here Elementor and click on submission, and then we can easily see which people will submit anything. So I can check it out, and as you can see, nothing is there. And let me go back to page again, and let me fill up the form, this, like I'm not a robot. And as you can see, it's fill up, and just click on send button, and let's see what happened. Alright, so it's gonna send and they just redirect us thank you page. So work well, and let's go back the page again. Just reload the tab. Alright, as you can see, we already get this mail like single contact form that we just put this form name. If we go back, let me show you the Elementor page like here. If you see, I already typed a form name, and if you see here the submission, let me close this because we don't need now. So if you see, you can easily understand which form, like where you just get this mail, so you can easily identify what is for what. Okay, so if you have multiple form in your website like contact form and like this type of form, like single form, if you're just using for a different work, then you can put different name, then you can easily identify which for what. And also, as you can see, here's some pages option, like we can choose another form. As you can see here, some others option, and if you want to delete, then you can select all and just bulk action and move to trash you can do. And if you want to visit or check it out what they was typed, then just click on here and you can see it easily what they was typed. I think, okay, it's not really true, I just make something wrong. So here the view option, just click on view, then you can see all the details like where, which person, which browser you was used, everything you can see. And I hope guys you understand and you get an idea how it's gonna work. So if you have any confusion or if you don't understand or something else, then you can tell me. I hope in the next video I will try to figure out this, and thank you.